Hi, this is Cade, my video, and today I'm showing you a video about this cat that can't walk, can't even meow. The cat is just sitting there right now. He wants me to feed him, so I will help him get in bed. Sorry, no, you have to drink food every hour. Oh, because of this cat's condition, not food, because of this cat's condition, he has to eat every hour. You eat every hour, sleep every 2 hours, and eat and drink every 3 hours. So that was my video, and see you later. Actually, I've got one more there, because my...
Start walking from Casemates Square along Main Street. Most of Jibs turned out to support. Henry, the Superman in shades, leads at the front. Eddie starts off well with a pacer, Royal Marine, Hayden Womble.
Done that there for you, Kim Spot.